Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to pass a turn on Scrabble Go. So let's jump right into the video. The first thing to do is to open your Scrabble Go application from your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. After you are inside the main home page, you'll be able to see your turns and challenges displayed in this page. If you want to skip or choose not to play any tiles from your rack from the current turn, then you can easily pass your turn in the game. In order to do that, simply go ahead and select one of your turns and tap on it. Now, from the bottom left-hand corner, tap on the menu button. In the options displayed on the screen, tap on Pass Your Turn. Now, tap on the tick mark in green right next to skip your turn, are you sure? And then you will be able to skip or pass a turn on Scrabble Go. Remember that passing your turn in Scrabble Go should be done strategically. It gives your opponent an opportunity to score points and potentially change the board in their favor, so make sure you want to consider passing your turn if you're holding high value tiles that could be beneficial in a future play. So that was how you can easily skip or pass a turn on Scrabble Go. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.